to Math for All Academy. In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks you need to know on how to multiply binomials. So here we have a binomial. Binomial just means it has two terms. So we're going to multiply two binomials together. So this is how it works. You multiply the first term. That equals x squared, so x times x equals x squared. Then you multiply the outside term, x with 3, so that equals 3x. Then you multiply the inside terms, okay? So 2 times x, and that gives you 2x. And now we multiply the last term. Okay, so it's 2 times 3, so it will equal plus 6. So that's it. That's our binomial multiplication. Now we can just simplify it. And we could have just done this simplification by adding these two together, okay? But for now, we're just going to focus on how you actually multiply, and we're going to keep our colors here so that we could see them. Okay, so let's work on this one now. So we do this times this, it's going to be x squared. And then we're going to do our outside, so the green one, x times minus 5 is going to be negative 5x. Okay, now we're going to do our inside. Positive 4 times x is going to give us 4x. And then we do our last, 4 times minus 5 is negative 20. Okay, so now we can combine our like terms. So we could add these together. Minus 5x plus 4x gives us negative x. And then we're just left with x squared minus x minus 20. And that's it. That's our equation. So let's move to the next one. So the next one, we multiply 3x times 2x. So 3 times 2 is 6. X times x is x squared. So it's 6x squared. Okay, now we're going to multiply the outside. So 7 times 3x. Okay, 7 times 3x is going to be 21x. Then we multiply our insides. So that's going to become 2x. Now we multiply our last term, which is 7 times 1, which equals plus 7. Okay, so now we can combine our like terms here. 21x plus 2x equals 23x. So our final equation is 6x squared plus 23x plus 7. Now let's move to our final one. So this one has a multiplication on the outside. So what we have to do is put brackets around here. So we're going to work on our brackets first. So we keep our 3 out here and we multiply our first terms. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Then we multiply our outside terms. This times this is going to be 10x. Then we're going to multiply our inside. Negative 1 times 2x is going to be negative 2x. And then we do our last term, which is minus 1 times 5, which is going to be minus 5. Okay? And we close our bracket. Now we can multiply the 3 through. But first, let's combine our terms. That's right. So let's write it all again. So when we combine these two, 10x minus 2x, we're left with positive 8x. And then we have our final term here. Now we can multiply the 3 through, multiply the 3 into each term in the brackets. So 3 times 4 is 12x squared. 3 times 8x is 24x. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. And that's it. That's all there is to multiplying binomials. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.